Dow Jones showed a major swing, covering almost a distance of 900 points, dropping towards 37,130 levels and recovering towards the end of the week towards 37,930. Yes, it has breached past the preceding highs at 37,800 and showed a breakout. Does it mean in the coming week we can again expect it to rally more, or there is a possibility of a reverse? And we can treat this as a false breakout as it is still showing higher highs, lower lows, and with the median at 37,500. What is going to be our strategy trading Dow Jones next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. I do release daily, twice a day updates for Dow Jones, first with the Europe session and next with the US session. Do watch the updates. If you're not joined the channel membership, do join the channel membership to support the effort and do like, share, and comment, friends. Your every action matters to me a lot. Now look at the monthly chart for Dow Jones. See, first of all, we have seen it breaking out of this channel in the last month. And remember, I have mentioned in my monthly review at the beginning of January that see two bullish candles means in all probability it may show a third bullish candle. And that is what is happening. Though it has started on a flat note and it is still shying away from it to break. But once in the coming week it stays above 38,000 levels, we can treat that now we are looking forward to 38,000 350, 38,500 zone at the next targets. Yes, these are achievable levels here. Remember what is happening right now. It consolidated in the zone for almost multiple months, and this is the second breakout candle. Thus, it all probabilities it could continue. So far, Dow Jones is the one which has shown a very muted movement throughout this month. Thus, the coming week is going to be important as a breakout might continue, which we should be watchful of. The stochastic coming back to overbought levels. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence. And see, this is I have shared several times in my daily review as well that these are the levels in MACD which Nasdaq US30 is supporting of. And see, after forming a bottom, it is rising, and thus it can continue to rise in the future as well. RSI rising. Coming to weekly. Now, on the weekly charts, beautifully, see, first of all, last 3 weeks we have seen it getting resistance at 37,800 levels, and it was pretty much shy of breaking those levels. What has happened since last couple of weeks is lower highs, lower lows. It has formed a good flag, and now it has given a break. And thus, as I say, once it breaks beyond this zone at 38,000, 38,100 levels in the coming week, we should not be thinking of selling US30 beyond 38,000, 38,100 levels. It is going to give a stronger rise where the target is going to be 38,350, 38,500 levels. Yes, it has the potential to rise further, though my only worry point is the divergence of the price from the moving average, which is too far below. Right now, the 20 period moving average is at 36,000 levels, and the 100 period moving average is at 34,000 levels. So you can say 34,000 to 38,000, almost 10% of gap there. Thus, this is something which I am being cautious of. However, right now it is still showing bullish momentum. The next observation is it has given a breakout out of this channel and it is continuing to stay bullish. That is next observation. Also, the stochastic, which was overbought, it is dipped a bit, but it is again looking upwards and it is staying overbought. That is also one of the worry points. And that is why I say the farther it stretches the rise, the stronger will be the pullback. But it appears that January is not going to be the month where we are going to see that. And possibly February also might be a bullish one. But right now, yes, let's talk about January where we can see the bullish momentum continuing. Now look at the MACD or MACD. Now MACD on the weekly charts, see the rise here, double bottom, consolidation, then this breakout, and it is continuing with the up move. How far it can stretch the rise? It can form the top here. Right now, again, it is looking upwards. It is divergent and bullish. It tried to converge but failing to do so. RSI is come back to overbought levels. Coming to the day on the daily chart, several times in my analysis, I have mentioned that this is forming a good flag. It has achieved the 20 period moving average, and the breakout is going to be a stronger one. This is what the power of analysis is. It has given a breakout and with a stronger force here. Yes, it has rose almost from 37,400 to 37,900 points. In last few weeks, this is a very good rise which we had seen, and yes, it is still potential for it to continue with the momentum here. If you notice here, higher highs means it has to stay above 38 100 levels, beyond which it is not going to look back, and a further stronger move can be seen. Also, if you look at the last few sessions, this was the reversal sign, and two extremely bullish candles are seen. Now 37 500 levels, 37 400 levels. First support levels for US30 is going to be now 37 800 itself. See, 37 800 and 700 zone is going to be a stronger support. This was the resistance for US30. Now this is going to be a stronger support. First support. Next support at 37 500 and 400. Very, very strong support. And the ultimate one at 37 200. I do not see now US30 breaking below 37 200 at least in coming. But my expectations do not run markets, and thus you have to just stick to the levels which I will be giving towards the end of this analysis. Look at the stock ISIC. This is rising. The MACD has seen a sharp dip. It is trying to converge. A crossover here can lead to the bullish momentum, which can take it towards double top. RSI rising as well. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4-hour charts. A very strong support, a very strong bottom is formed at 37 200. After retracing here, it has given a breakout and it is continued in this bullish channel looking upwards. Now we have to wait for it to break beyond 38 100 levels. Also, the moving averages have now crossed over looking upwards, suggestive of bullishness, and thus even if it tries to retrace here, 37 500 400 should be a very, very good support zone. Stochastic overbought, MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. It can potentially retrace a bit. RSI overbought as well. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. Now, one thing to observe here for US30, that it is trying to give a breakout. And yes, once it stays above 38,000, 100 levels, we will look forward to 38 350 500 levels. That is the first point. And yes, it has further potential for it to rise. It can, in fact, break past 38 500 as well, moving towards 38 800 and 39,000 levels. And yes, it has a potential to move towards 40,000 levels in the near future before it takes a dip. Yes, a pullback is certain. Yes, a pullback is what we are waiting for. And almost, see, I was looking at the data at multiple brokers and I saw that there are extremely high short positions across Tech 100 and US30, which is definitely one of the indications that markets are not going to show a pullback. And once the shorts are closed, then only we will see this pullback. So yes, it is stretching the pain here for most of the traders, and it could continue to do so. Thus, on the upside, we should not be treating US30 for pullback, at least in the month of January. And yes, in the month of February also, possibility of a swing exists where we can still see it delivering highs before showing a pullback towards the end of February or in the month of March. But yes, a pullback is certain, and that is the question, that how far will that be pullback? That is what we have to look forward to. Right now, in the coming week, I still expect the bull run to continue. Possibly beyond 38 100 is where the bullishness will be more. Now, considering this, let me give you the buying levels here. And before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Register yourself now by visiting the platform my www.forexfunda.com, or you can ping me on Telegram IDs, or you can write an email to me. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Also, if you just want to join my signals channel on Telegram and just want to trade as per the signals, you can ping me on Telegram, one to one email, or you can write down a message to me. And yes, join the free Telegram channel. There is another channel where you get the live updates. And also on the platform Forex Funda, you get a special opportunity or facility to book a call with me, where in the live market itself, you can book a call with me and get the consultation related to your position or your futuristic trades. And yes, this call can be completely free if you're part of our weekly webinar series. So do register for. Now let's talk about the levels to buy. Yes, now in fact we can buy here at 37 880, but then wait for it to break beyond 37 950 and then 38 040. This zone is going to play a major role, and then I will look forward to 38 110 levels. This is the third resistance. Once it stays beyond 38,110, stay bullish. We will be looking forward to 38,350 directly and then 38,500. These levels are also possible. Beyond this, there will be further bullish momentum which can take the prices towards 38,700 and 39,000 levels, and this could be possible in this month as well. But right now, again, I'm saying the faster the rise, the faster will be the pullback, and we all are waiting for a pullback. Only thing is the markets are waiting for the shorts to get closed, bring everyone into the pain, and then let force the shorts to be closed in a loss, and then the markets will reverse. But and right now it is perfectly in the same mode to do so. Now on the downside, I will only recommend you to sell here at 37,780. After this, we can expect 37,700 as a very good support. In fact, 37,600 as the next support, and then 37. See, 37,400, 600 zone is something you should watch out for. Between these levels there is support at every 50 points, because what you will be doing, you will be looking at a daily time frame and on the 4-hour charts, and thus for 50 points should be a good space here in between this zone, which should be a good support, and it can bounce back any point of time from those levels. Thus you should be watchful as in how US30 stays between 37,400, 600. If at all it drops there, below this is where we can look forward to 37,200, and if it drops below this time I will be looking forward to 37,000, 36,800. Now see, the tone is bullish, but yes, remember these are markets. We have to abide by the levels. We have to respect the levels. We have to respect the technicals, and you have to take your positions as per the levels. The tone can be bullish, but the trades has to be as per the levels. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. See you again before the Europe session on the coming Monday. Thank you very much.